Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma and welcome to the next segment of our how-to series. And I'm going to be showing you how to use your indicators on your MetaTrader 4 platform. Now, indicators do form part of the technical analysis of trading, and traders have been using it for the past 100 years to try and calculate how exactly will markets perform and how exactly can they use their indicators to try and make the best trade possible. Now, you do have indicators that come from a trend-based indicator. You have as well indicators that come from oscillators, volumes, or Bill Williams as well. So I'm going to be showing you the most different types of indicators that you can use throughout your trading experience with us here at BlackStone Futures. And I'm going to start off by explaining the easiest indicator of them all. It is a trend-based indicator called a moving average. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new chart so that I can install my indicator. All indicators can be found on the MetaTrader 4 terminal. For those of you that don't know how to install them on the MetaTrader 4 platform, do make sure you check out past how-to video series to be able to install your indicators. Now, moving averages are just aggregate data of how price has been moving. So for those of you that do not know how to use your candlesticks, all right, you can use the moving average to try and predict the direction in which markets are going. Now, moving averages are most famous for two especially, which is your linear moving average and your exponential moving average. And we all know that the linear moving average uses an arithmetic sequence, whereas the exponential moving average tries to actually use a predictory movement and actually tries to predict where price is trying to go. So a lot of these moving averages are used together so that people can actually form strategies that they can actually use. So I can actually add two different moving averages on the exact same chart. And the best thing about the moving average is that we can always change them so they can be in the appearance that we like. And then at the end of the day, we can all actually form our own trading strategies that can look something similar to this. Thank you so much for watching this how-to video. For more information, do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.